It's just too much to ask for, and too many times I've been here before, hanging around that same front door, in vain, all in blue, almost insane. It's not a crime, you see, it's who we're meant to be in blue, almost deranged. It's not a crime, you see, it's who we're supposed to be. And it's just too much to ask for, with too many thoughts and too much on my mind. And I keep saying these same words to myself all the time, all in blue, almost insane. It's not a crime, you see, it's who we were meant to be in blue, almost deranged. It's not a crime, you see, it's who we're supposed to be. And who could speak words of a person who's sure deep down he's better, but he knows there's a cure? And who could be sorry for a man so straight, so violent the longing, but he knows he can wait, all in blue, almost insane. It's not a crime, you see,